Chapter number 3, Arithmetic Progression. In this lesson, you will be able to understand sequence, arithmetic progression sums, sum of n term of an AP, that is arithmetic progression, n term of AP. Let us understand the meaning of sequence. What is sequence? A sequence is a set of numbers that are in order. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 ... continuation means infinite sequence. All these number are odd number and they all are in infinite sequence. Is that clear? These all odd numbers are infinite sequence. So this is called as a term, or we can call it as first term. One is a term, or we can call it as first term. Is that clear? Then B is the 3 is the second term and 5 is the third term. In the similar pattern, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, and so on. First term is A, or we can say that A1. Second term is called as A2. Okay, so first term is A1. This odd number. Okay, so here A2 is the second term. 3 is odd number and this is A2. Now here A3, then A4. Okay, 7 is on A4th position and 9th is AN, means 5th position. Okay, then 6th position, then 7th position. In this way we get a sequence of odd number. Okay, and as you all know that odd numbers are infinite. We can't say that this number is a last number. Numbers are infinite. So here 3 is AN and n is equal to sequence of 3 is 2. Okay, so 1 is first step, 3 is second step, 5th is third step, 7 is fourth step, 9 is fifth step, and 11 is sixth step, and 13 is seventh step, like this. So as you know that AN is the third. So what is the value of the term AN? Is a number of 8. So here AN is equal to 13. After that we get here 14. The 8th position we will get 14 number. Okay, what is the value of the term AN if n is equal to 8? Okay, like this. We have to tell the sequence. So now let us understand arithmetic sequence in detail. An arithmetic sequence goes from one term to the next by always adding the same value. Is that clear? Now here 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, like this. This is a table of 4. 4 to the 8, 4 here 12, 4, 16, 4, 20, 4 here 24, 4, 28, 4, 32. Okay, so 8 is the first term. So here as you all know that we get a distance of 4. So the common difference is 4. Is that clear? So an arithmetic sequence goes from one term to the next by always adding the same value. So common difference is equal to D. As you all know that the difference between here 8 and 12 we get D is equal to 4, because 12 minus 8 is 4. An arithmetic sequence goes from one term to the next by always adding the same value. The value can be positive or it can be negative value. Okay, so here 7, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8 and minus 11. This 7 is A1 position. This 4 is A2 position. Okay, like this. 1 is A3 position. All these number here, the distance is minus 3. Is that clear? 7 minus 4 is minus 3. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Now here 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, again minus 2, and here you can see this A4. So here again minus 3 distance. Okay, so now minus 5 minus 2 distance is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. We get here common number, that is minus 3 is the common number. Okay, always we have to add the same number, same value. The common difference is minus 3. Is that clear? So distance is equal to minus 3, or we can say that difference is minus 3, because all this we get distance. So here minus 12, minus 3, 6, 15, 24, 33, 42. Okay, there are two negative number and others are positive. Here we are calculating distance. So D is equal to how much we have to calculate. So A1 is minus 12 and A2 is minus 3. So we have to calculate the distance between A1 and A2. Okay, so minus 3 and minus 12. So what is the distance between them? So A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, minus 3. Okay, minus 3 minus 12. So minus become plus. So 12 minus 3 is minus 3 plus 12. We get how much? Yes, 9. Okay, positive 9 we get, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पर बड़े नंबर की साइन यूज़ करना है और 12 इज़ द ग्रेटर नंबर, दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर पॉजिटिव साइन. Again minus 3 and 6. So 6 minus 3, 6. Okay, 6 minus 3. Now 15 minus 6, 24 minus 15, 33 minus 24. All where we get 9. Difference is 9. The common difference we get here is 9. Is that clear? आपको याद होगा लास्ट ईयर हमने बेसिक कंसेप्ट इन ज्योमेट्री में हमने लर्न किया था डिस्टेंस कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सेम वे वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट डिस्टेंस हियर. सो हियर 19 minus 12. Okay, 12 minus 19, how much? Yes, so D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So simply we have to calculate. So here 12 minus 19, which give us, yes, how much? Minus 7. Is that clear? So here all where we are getting minus 7. 5 minus 12 minus 7 minus 2 minus yes, same we will get here minus 7 everywhere. So the common difference is minus 7. Again 5 minus 2. Okay, so 5 minus plus. Again minus 9 and minus 2. Okay, so again we will get here common number, that is minus 7. So the common difference is minus 7. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to understand this. D is equal to minus 7. Is that clear? And arithmetic sequence goes from one term to the next by always adding the same value. Remember this, we have to add the same value, okay, to get the next term. So A1 is equal to 19 is the first term. A1 is equal to 19 is the first term. A2 is equal to 12, that is second term. Now here everywhere we get the same number, that is minus 7. The common difference is minus 7. Is that clear? So D is equal to minus 7 is the common difference. Is that clear? So simple and easy to understand. आप देख सकते हो 12 minus 19 minus 7. minus 2 minus 5 will give us minus 7 because minus will become plus and greater number की साइन हमें यूज़ करना रहेगा तो minus 7. लाइक सिमिलर पैटर्न हमें यहाँ पर सब जगह कॉमन नंबर मिलने वाला है, कॉमन डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करने वाले हम यहाँ पर minus 7 का. सो द आंसर इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज minus 7 and D is equal to minus 7. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to calculate sequence. Yes, my dear students, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में सीक्वेंस कैलकुलेट करना बहुत ही इजी है. जस्ट आपको A2 से A1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, फिर A3 को A2 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, A4 को A3 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, A5 को A4 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. like this. Is that clear? So simple and easy to calculate difference. Okay, sequence में हमको difference ही calculate करना है, जो solve करना बहुत easy है. Is that clear? ये arithmetic progression का सबसे important concept है. अगर ये आपको अच्छे से clear हो गया, that means आप easily कितना भी difficult sums हो आप solve कर सकते हो. I hope ये concept आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Let's study some more example of sequence. Here we write number 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot 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 in an order. So in this order we can tell the position of any number. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4 are infinite. For example, number 10 is at 10th position, number 14 is at 14th position. So sequence, the number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 continuation, this dot dot means infinite number, are also written in a particular order. Here 9 is equal to 3 square is a third position, 16 is equal to 4th square, that is 4th position, 36 is equal to 6 square is at the 6th position. In this set of numbers also, place of each number is determined. So, a set of a number where the number are arranged in a defined order like the natural number. So in a sequence, a particular number is written at a particular position. If the numbers are written as A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, then that particular number are such as A1 is the first, A2 is the second in the same pattern, and so on. It is clear that AN is at the nth place. AN is at the nth place. So here we have to define about the place. So for example, 4, 8, 12, 16. So here A1 is equal to 4, A2 is equal to 8, A3 is equal to 12 and so on. So here as you can see this 4, 8, 12, 16. Now second one 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay. So A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8 and so on. Is that clear? Like this. So now as I have already taught you that हमको क्या करना है, A2 को A1 से माइनस करना है, तो ही हमें यहाँ पर सीक्वेंस पता चलेगा. इन अ सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर टर्म्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड T1, T2, T3, T4. अगर सीक्वेंस को टर्म्स में देखना है तो T1, T2, T3 लेंगे. इन जनरल सीक्वेंस रिटर्न एज Tn if the sequence is infinite for every position integer n. Some sequences are given below. Show the position of the term T1, T2, T3. Okay? Similar pattern जैसे हमने n लिखे थे वैसे ही हम यहाँ पर T1, T2, T3 देखेंगे. जैसे A1, A2, A3 था तो अभी यहाँ पर टर्म्स है तो T1, T2, T3. For example 9, 15, 21, 27 and so on. So here T1 is equal to 9, T2 is equal to 15, T3 is equal to 21 and so on. Is that clear? Like this. Now here 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. So here again T1 is equal to 6, T2 is equal to 12, T3 is equal to 18 and T4 is equal to 24 and so on. Okay, like this. So यहाँ पर हमने terms को define किए हैं. आई बात समझ में. वहाँ पर हमने A1, A2, A3 लिए थे. अगर टर्म्स रहेगा तो T1, T2, T3 लेंगे. Now arithmetic progression in the sequence next term is obtained by adding particular number to the previous number. Each of these sequence is called a arithmetic progression. Is that clear? यानी कि सीक्वेंस का जो नेक्स्ट टर्म होता है उसको ऐड करना होता है कोई एक पर्टिकुलर प्रीवियस नंबर से. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 100, 70, 40, 10 ये नंबर्स दिए हुए. इन दिस गिवन सीक्वेंस ऑब्जर्व हाउ द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज ऑब्टेन. हमको ये मीन्स ऑब्जर्व करना है. देखिए यहाँ पर 100 है. ओके, नाउ 70 इज़ द सेकेंड टर्म. सो 100 में से 30 माइनस होगा तो हमको 70 मिलेगा. अगेन 70 में 30 माइनस होगा तो 40 मिलेगा. अगेन 40 में 30 माइनस होगा तो 10 मिलेगा. आई बात समझ में. तो यहाँ पर कितने का डिस्टेंस है 30 का. सो यहाँ पर 20. ओके, 30 में से यहाँ पर 20 गया 20 लेंगे एंड लास्टली यहाँ पर माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. सो -20 एंड -50. इज इट सिंपल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट टर्म 100 था, सेकेंड टर्म 70 था और थर्ड टर्म 40 था. ओके, सो लाइक दिस. सो 100 प्लस माइनस माइनस 100 माइनस 30 70 like this. So 6, 12, 18, 24. Now in this given sequence observe how the next term is obtained. So 6, 12, 18 and 24. So 6 plus 6 which give us 12. 12 plus 6 which give us 18 and 18 plus 6 which give us 24. See the common difference is 6. Okay, 6 number is adding. So 24 plus 6 कितना होगा 30 और 30 plus 6 कितना होगा 36. तो easily हम यहाँ पर add 6 करके जो फाइंड करने वाला नंबर है वो हम लोग ईजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो 24 प्लस 6 30 हो गया एंड 30 प्लस 6 कितना हो गया 36. सो सिंपल. यस, इन दिस सीक्वेंस अबव एवरी टर्म इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय एडिंग अ पर्टिकुलर नंबर इन अ प्रीवियस टर्म. So if the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then it is called as a common difference and is generally denoted by letter D. Okay, common difference सबका same है, that is constant, that is 6. 6 plus 6 12, again 12 plus 6 18, again 18 plus 6 24, same like that. Okay, in the given sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms, that is Tn plus 1 minus Tn, is a constant term, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression AP. Okay, AP stand for arithmetic progression. Now this formula is very important. In this sequence, Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to D. Here D is the common difference. In an arithmetic progression, first term is denoted by A and the common difference is D. Then T1, that is term 1, is equal to A, term 2 is equal to A plus D, term 3 is equal to A plus D, bracket close, plus D is equal to A plus 2D. AP having first term as A and common difference D is A, bracket A plus D, second bracket A plus 2D, and third bracket A plus 3D, and so on. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to apply this formula in practice set 3.1. So let's solve practice set 3.1 in detail.